So as you guys can see, this is indeed sleet that's bouncing off the roof. And this is what I'm talking about. We're about to be getting the 8 to 12 inches of snow tonight. So it's going to be pretty bad. This is just the beginning of what's to come. Look at that. It's freezing rain. But let me clean the lens. Look at that. I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see. It's about 32 degrees outside right now. So yeah,